InDesign has rather good drawing tools, much better I think than Illustrator. Unfortunately, they're rather deeply embedded in the menu structure. So if I want to do anything on this path, I go Object, and then in Paths there are a few things, and in Convert Point you can for functions to convert points. And these two are used quite a lot, but they're, as I said, they're inconveniently deeply embedded. However, it's possible in InDesign to change the menu structure of InDesign and to create your own menus. So I'll illustrate this with this one. See this created path point in the top menu, and when I click it, I have together all the items, the drawing tools that I use a lot, which is very convenient.